It is very interesting, very useful for everyone to grow up in our organization perspective. In fact, we have seen the core values in our UST offices somewhere in the walls.
Yes.
But here we are seeing it, with examples, and we have opportunity to meet others in the same location, which we could have not done in our regular office workplace. This will enable us to work together, discuss with together a lot of group discussions sessions, which help us to understand the clear usefulness of the core value, how it is going to help in our official as well as in our personal life. Actually, I have close to 20 plus years of experience. I have been into 3-4 various organizations, including Sutherland and Rallis India, Tata Group companies. But that time, this kind of programs and all actually not there in other my previous workplaces. But here it is very useful. I am seeing it in UST, and it enable us to grow better professionally as well as in our personal life, because it is actually a very useful concept. Core values means interacting people, let others to grow, give opportunity to others, which by in our own heart it will never come as it is. But after this, understanding the core values of UST, definitely it will enable us to give opportunity to others within a team as well as within our organization. And it is a kind of centered leadership than when you compare it with a friendly leadership.
Absolutely.
So it enables us to work together as a team.
Yes.
Definitely, because core values something not only for non-profit organization, even if for profit organization, UST has a goal of $10 billion valuation, and we are in the process of going for an IPO as a listed company in the near future. These value enable us to everyone to understand the actual need of the organization, the goal of the organization. As per the goal set by our CEO, everyone need to participate in the goal by contributing $100K revenue by each person, with 20% of revenue growth year on year plus 20% EBITDA. So by seeing it on a paper or hearing a video from CFO, it will not reach to all the team members in UST. By participating into this kind of program, which enable them to make the understand of the need of the organization or goal of the organization, so that everyone can contribute towards that goal. Definitely, because I'm having a 30 plus member team under my belt, and all of them in different grade, and each one have different skill set. I will definitely connect with my team, make them understand the importance of the servant leadership program, ask them to participate in the upcoming sessions.